Welcome back to our last Messy Monday of this season. It's been a busy summer. So, we're going to do some painting in a bag. There's going to be a fun twist to this, which I'll talk about in a minute. I'm just going to cut this because it's not as big. So we've got some cardstock and some paint in a bag, and what you're going to do is we're going to give you some paint, and you can just kind of drop it into the bag. I'm going to squirt ours in. I've got turquoise, which is my favorite. And I've got some magenta, which I also really like. It's a little bit of a mix between pink and purple. It's another bright color. So here are my paint. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your cardstock in between. You're going to zip this closed. If you want to, you could probably duct tape this closed if you have younger siblings or younger folk. And then you're just going to kind of smush it around. So the twist on this is if you have a pet and your pet is willing, you can have them kind of step on it or move their paws on it or kind of do something that kind of gets them a little bit involved too. And then you just kind of squish it. You want to kind of get the paint all over if you want to. It looks a little bit like tie-dyed, which I think is really fun. It does move pretty well in here. Let's get some more pink over here. I don't have enough. It looks really neat when they mix together and they turn a different color. Oh, that's fun. Alright, so that's one side. Now I gotta mix the other side. It's gonna be terrible when you take them out because it's going to be the messy part. But inside the bag, it's mess free. And I think I might have gotten too much paint on one side and not enough on the other, so we'll see if we can fix that up. This is a little bit of an arm workout, I'm not gonna lie. That is pretty good. I don't know if I can get all of it over. Ooh. Hang on. Let's see if we can do one more big push. So close. So close. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, I found one more place. Art, man. You're never done when you think you're done, which is okay. Alright, I think that looks pretty cool on both sides. Let's open it up and find out. This is the messy part. Because you have to reach your hand in through the paint. I'm trying not to get too messy, but that's just silly. I don't know what I'm thinking. You probably want to, you want to go slow because I think I just ripped mine. You do probably want to hang this up on a, that's kind of fun, on like a clothes rack or something to dry, like with a clothespin, because it is wet on both sides. But look how fun that is. I loved it. You could also maybe leave it inside the bag for a little bit longer than I did, but I did want to show it to you. I'm going to put it back in to see if it can dry a little bit because messy. We hope that you had fun with us this summer, and we hope to see you in the library soon. Take care.